All right, part two, semiconductor industry stocks. And in this video, I'm going to analyze 5 stocks that are my favorite. And we have some of them in our portfolio. We're going to add the other ones as well in our portfolio if it gets to our level. There is no rush. Just be patient, especially in today's market when everything is going down. So we should be careful, not getting into the position early. We had enough in January, February, March, and right now we are kind of like a patiently buying and looking the market, see if market comes down to our level, so we will trigger buying bottom as well. All right. So here is the Taiwan Semiconductor TSM. So TSM, for those ones who don't know, TSM is the largest and biggest semiconductor producer in the world. And as you see here, we had a very nice consolidation going up, monthly chart, bull trap, going down, break through this consolidation, fail consolidation, follow through with 4 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth consecutive month down the road going down, right? So this means semiconductor is weak. This is double top formation. This is a nice fail consolidation. Technically, this means I'm going down, and this one is going down as well. We didn't buy this. I had this before, but I didn't buy this in our portfolio, and I'm going to buy this here, to be honest. So right now 88. When we are getting to the weekly chart, I'm telling you better, but 71 to 80, that's going to be a buying level, especially in this wide range. Well, look at this area. We are going to focus in weekly chart as well. Here is the weekly chart. Right now it is pretty oversold, so I haven't seen even COVID crash. It doesn't hit oversold in RSI, but this time of the market we are at very bearish sentiment, to be honest. This is unprecedented area, and here is the consolidation breakout, consolidation breakout. So there are 2 consolidations there, and just this week TSM is coming down, test this 150 SMA, and this happened just during COVID crash. Look at that. When this one tests twice, then a spike up, consolidation inside this wide range bar, breakout, fantastic breakout, and going to the top. Right now, if we just zoom back, here is the pivot, breakout. We are going back to this, test this pivot, right? So this area, I would say 75 to 85 is going to be good level for SMH. TSM. And we are going to buy, I'm going to buy probably around 80. No rush. I'm just letting this one is down. If you don't have this one, and if you just want to nibble in, I have no problem with that. You can nibble in at 88. But still, I'm kind of like a patient, just because I'm thinking this one is coming down more and I can get this one cheaper. Just 70 to 80, that would be a good spot for TSM. All right. Okay. NVDA, the next one. NVDA is in wave 4, I believe. And as you see here, this is the monthly chart, 61% to 78%. This is a huge gap between like $100 to $150. So that would be a buying opportunity, I would say, especially when we're coming to this consolidation. 128, that would be great area. So where are we at? We are at 175 now. Does it come down? I think so. So this one is coming down, especially when we analyzed the SMH in previous video. I'm expecting still this one is coming down to this consolidation. So when this one is coming down to this consolidation, we are going to buy, especially 128 to 150. That would be a decent portion I don't have NVDA yet. This is undervalued. This is basically in good technical level to going down. So I'm not getting into early just because we close below this 50%. This is a follow through. Also below this SMA 20 on the monthly. So this one is coming down as well. So I have no problem to wait for cheaper price. However, this is undervalued. NVIDIA just test SMA 200, SMA 100 on weekly chart, and it doesn't. It just have very minor correction going to the upside. And as you see, let me just bring this one down right there. So you see, this is 78% here, and this is 88% of the Fibonacci. I believe NVIDIA again. 128 to 150, that's going to be buying level. I think this consolidation area is going to be a good area as well. So here is 115, 138. These ones, this area again, a good opportunity. So I would just want to put, based on the weekly chart, I just want to put a box there here, probably around here, right there. So this is the area that I'm looking for to just nibble in for the first shot. No rush. Okay, just be patient on this. This is NVIDIA. Lamb Research is the second and the third one. And Lamb Research we already in. We already in higher price. I'm not adding these ones here just because I'm thinking this one is coming down to this wide range bar, consolidation, 69% Fibonacci, 200 SMA on the weekly chart. So Lamb Research 350 to 400, which is this $50 here, that would be good area for Lamb Research. Okay. All right. So Lamb Research, just keep an eye on that. Right now it's at 459. Which I'm just waiting another $59 drop for the Lamb Research. There should be a bounce. I'm not sure if it's coming down sharply, but there should be a bounce, but I'm just waiting. AMD, this one, I have a better position in AMD just because this one is coming down fairly significant. Look at that, 164 right now. 164 was the top. Right now it's at 88. Almost a 45% discount from the top. So, and also technically this is the good area for the first shot. This is a head and shoulder breakout just because failed head and shoulder, and failed head and shoulder results spike up to the upside, and right now we are just spiking down, kind of like you see. This is a V shape, like a reverse V shape correction. So if you just call this one V, this is a reverse V. And this is kind of sharp spike down to this area. So this area could give a fairly significant support for AMD. But if it doesn't hold, then 48 to 56, that's scary. I don't want to think about this level. I'm not thinking about this level for now, to be honest. I'm just thinking this level is going to be a fairly good support for AMD. All right. So this is kind of the situation that I'm thinking. If you don't have AMD, I have no problem to add AMD right now, just because this is technically good level, especially if you look at the stock is in uptrend. I know it is kind of parabolic. It needs to come back down to good level. This level and this level would be a very nice area for AMD. Okay. All right, so let's go to the last one, I believe. And that would be Texas Instrument. Texas Instrument is the best among the other ones, and just because recently they, based on the war between Russia and Ukraine, lots of contracts between Texas Instrument and military companies like Lockheed Martin, like General Dynamics, are coming to the headlines. And based on this company, because they're producing analog semiconductors, they are kind of like the largest one in analog in the world. So they're using in their missiles, in their military equipment, and just because of the Russia and Ukraine, again, lots of equipment from US transported to Ukraine to help Ukraine military, and that's why Texas Instrument got benefit from this situation. and it doesn't correct or it doesn't go down as the other stocks are going down, especially in semiconductor world. So that's why Texas Instrument held up pretty well. But I think this one is going down as well, like the other one. And there are two options, or buying levels, I should say. One is this area, so I'm going to add 50% of the Texas Instrument allocation TXN. The other one is the other 50%, or second 50% is going to be around this. So 154, and the other one, let's say 130. That would be, those areas would be good opportunity to buy, right? Okay, so hope you like this video. This is for our members. I'm not gonna publicize this one soon, probably a month, 2 months after, but you guys are taking advantage of being members, and you deserve to have a good videos. If you have any question, please go there chat box, or you can just go to the group chat and text your question. I will get back to you at ASP. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.